All right, this is week 27. Pretty exciting. We've actually had the first week of classes and we actually got a lot done. So, over the weekend, before classes started, I finished up the LED. This first one was a booger because I had to sand all the old paint off, and I was able to wrap the LED lights inside and tuck them in, and then glue some brackets to hold them in. So you can see the brackets there kind of held together with some glue, and then I finally ended up just doing a hot glue because it's a lot quicker to get the brackets in place. Really excited about the outer shell, the transparent. It has this beautiful glow. So when all three of them pop on at full capacity, it's going to have a kind of a nice lampshade look to it. It'll be great. As you can see, our haptics and everything in place. These are the other animatronics. You can see there are different silhouettes and looks of these lights. And these lights will be going on and off separately. We can control each one separately when they can kind of fade in and fade out. So a lot of cool animation that we can do with that in the future. I think I showed this last week. This is Dungsu soldering all the pins, getting the boards prepped. In the background, Matthew is working on the programming, getting the libraries all set up for the upper board. We actually have it physically in hand this week, or as of today.
Basically, we redid all the Arduino code. When I say like redid, we redefined all of it so it works with Wi-Fi and like changed how the Wi-Fi.h setup works and basically took Dungsu's stuff and then tweaked it a lot so that it worked with this. Different plugins, different libraries, so it works. Then we were like, okay, how do we do this on Unreal? We had to change the stepper controller, CVP, and .h to find a lot more different variables, and then I had to go ahead and even change the actual build system so it works, and it works with this socket and networking system. So now it's able to launch and understand that I'm trying to connect it to the network. So then when you launch it, it works like this. And I will tell you the last input sent, the ports that's using, if it's connected, what IP it's using, and but then there's some bugs still.
All right, here Dungsu is setting up the power to our secondary board. So we had a little bit of issues today. We were trying to use a different board. It had a better Wi-Fi signal. Wasn't able to communicate on the first try, but we hopefully can solve that next couple days. But our batteries are in place. We got power going up. So this is a lot of us trying to debug the second board. So we basically went backwards and used the original Arduino R4 board because we had the Wi-Fi working. So here we are, we got it working. It's very exciting. So you can hear it's quite loud, but we're excited about this, and hopefully by next week we have maybe all three of them working. That would be fun, just to get the bottoms of all three of them working and going down the hall.